What is going on, guys? Today's video we have a 100 feet LED strips for Wi-Fi. These are the Wi-Fi models. This is from Gupup. I don't know how to pronounce that, but you have 100 feet right here. Wi-Fi model, very inexpensive. I'll leave a link in the description if you decide to purchase. Durable, safe, strong adhesive, 50,000 hours. Pretty simple. Let's get straight into it. You have power supply, 12 volts, 2 amps. You have the Wi-Fi adapter here. So you have a split ended here, so you can go either direction, IR sensor. 24 key remote and 2 of the spools, 50 feet each. You also have your instruction manual here to set it up with your Amazon or Google Assistant. Shows you very simply how to do all that. This is the Tuya app right there. So if you want to download that, make sure you go ahead and check it out before you buy this product. So you have the remote here, on off, brightness up and down, RGBW, 12 colors here, flash, strobe, fade, smooth. And then you have your CR 2025 battery on the back. Right there, if you can see that. Very simple setup, power, and you get the end right here, and you plug it in like so, arrow to arrow. The arrow will be right here on the strip. Just go ahead and plug it in like so, and then we'll plug in the other end as well. And then we just give this some power, and we'll be good, which I will go ahead and set up right now so I can show you. All right, so we're gonna go and download the Tuya app real quick, Tuya. All right, so we got it here. We're gonna open up the app. We're gonna log in. I believe I should have an account. All right, there we go. Then make sure you're on 2.4 gigahertz only, because that's how it works. All right, it looks like it has an automatic pop-up, so you just press and hold the on button until it starts flashing. There we go. And then it should automatically pop up once we refresh. Yep, there we go. Add light. We're gonna have to do our Wi-Fi real quick. All right, there we go. And we're just gonna let this sign up. Don't keep these spooled up like this. I have it just for demonstrational purposes, which is really nice. So that's pretty much all that. You can rename them if you want. Very simple to set up. Wow, this looks really nice. Nice number there. All right, so for everyone that stayed this far, actually gets the 10% off discount code just for staying this far in the video. Pretty amazing, huh? Which makes it even cheaper. For 100 feet, 10% discount code, that's a big win. Check in the comment section and the description for that coupon code. Limited time offer. Continue with the rest of the video. Blue. So if you don't want the 24 key remote, you can use the app, but this one's just for quick access for turning on, off, dimming, white, RGB, you know, the simple popular colors. But if you want a more specific color, scene, or music mode, you can go ahead and press it onto the app and it'll do that very simply. You can also schedule timers and you can do scenes. You can also make a custom scene apparently, flash, breathe, static, etc. All right, so the microphone is on your actual phone. Boom. Maybe not. Okay, music mode sucks. I don't know if it's supposed to have music mode, but alright. So I went ahead and unspooled it just to show you a little bit better. I don't have any room basically where I can mount new strips in my house or anyone that I know, because I've done hundreds of reviews of these. But this is the best I can show you right now. So as you can see, this is the brightness. I'll go ahead and turn off my other light. My room is messy right now because I wasn't expecting to do it, but pretty much all the lights are off. This is the brightness of them, just with, you know, only this on, and it lights up a fair amount of the room, so that's really good. We're gonna go and change colors real quick. So this is red. It's a deep red. It's very faint. Doesn't light up the room a whole lot. On camera you can see it a little bit better, but in person it's not as bright as it looks. You got green. Wow, that's actually really bright. You got blue. That's a nice blue actually. Yeah, so I mean they look good. They're easy on the eyes, which is nice. They're not super bright. Make sure that 100% they are. They're pretty chill. Let's see if I could get purple up in here. I guess that's purple. I like it like a deep purple, like a Black Panther type of purple. I mean, it's still very dark, but if you had this like covering your room like all the way around and then a little bit on the sides, like going down like that, then yeah, it would definitely light up your entire room. If you're going for bright to be able to actually see, then I do not recommend that. Because look at this, I can have real white on those ones. Let me, and you can see they just overpower. Let me turn that off. Let me turn this off. Let me turn on my other RGB strips. Let me show you this red. So this is what this strip looks like when it's on and mounted, way brighter. You turn this on, it automatically went to green for some reason. You can tell the difference between one strip versus the other. One has a silicone coating and one does not. You can tell the difference between those beads. It's not even, it's in a channel raceway. It doesn't have the silky cover over it. If it did, it will look a lot better, but that's what it looks like. That's 100 feet. Or actually I'll do blue. And we'll go blue on this one. All right, so they're both in blue. You can tell again which one is brighter and which one is not. So that's just a representation of both of those. But so that's that blue. You can see how bright it is. And this is this blue. I mean, you know, they're already mounted, but you can tell that they're way brighter. And this is only a 32-foot strip. And I have about 50 feet out right now for the other strip. But I mean, you know, they got the job done for sure. It's a nice subtle blue. Nice easy on the eyes. Like, you can look at this, you won't really get a migraine at it. For 20 bucks, I believe it's a pretty good deal, not gonna lie. They're very flexible, they're cuttable. I think this is a win, to be honest, for the money. The ones that I have above are twice the price, so they're close to 40 because of their RGBIC function. This is half the cost, and you can see the quality difference, brightness distance, bead difference, and just in general. So that's just the representation if you want both of those. I'll leave a link in the description for the Wi-Fi model. Hoping to reach 10,000 subscribers before my birthday, which we're only 3,000 subscribers away, and it's about 3 months away. So 1,000 subscribers per month, I think that's doable. Let's see if we're able to reach that goal. I'm really hoping before my birthday, or we could probably reach more. We'll see.